In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sign-up or pop-up forms to WordPress using Mailerlite. If you're looking to grow your email list or engage more dynamically with your website visitors, adding pop-up forms is a fantastic strategy. Let's dive right in and I'll walk you through the steps to get your forms up and running quickly and efficiently. First, head over to the Mailerlite website. Once you're there, log into your account. If you're new to Mailerlite, you'll need to create an account, which is quick and straightforward. For those who already have an account, simply click on the login button at the top right corner. You can choose to sign in with Google if you'd like to streamline the login process. Once you're logged into your Mailerlite dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Forms section. This is where the magic happens. Click on Forms in the main menu, and then you'll see an option to Create Form. Go ahead and click that. You'll be prompted to give your form a name. This can be anything descriptive that will help you identify this form later on, such as newsletter sign up or special offer pop-up. After naming your form, click Save and Continue. Next, you'll need to select a group. This is where your sign-ups will be organized, so choose a group that aligns with the purpose of your form. Don't worry if you don't have a group set up yet, you can create one on the go. Once you've selected your group, hit Continue. Now it's time to choose a template. Templates are a godsend because they give you a starting point and save a lot of time. Browse through the available templates and select one that fits the aesthetic of your site. Click on Choose when you've decided. This will take you to the editing mode. Here you have the flexibility to edit the form to your liking. You can change text, colors, images, and more to make sure it aligns perfectly with your website's theme and your branding guidelines. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Done Editing. Now let's set the trigger options. This is where you decide how soon after a visitor lands on your site the pop-up will appear. You can also adjust frequency settings to determine how often the pop-up should appear to the same user. Additionally, set the visibility options to control on which pages the form will show up. Finally, click on Save Changes to make sure everything is stored and put into action. After you've saved, test everything to ensure it's working just as you planned. And there you have it, a seamless way to add engaging pop-up forms to your WordPress site using Mailerlite. This will help you gather more subscribers while maintaining a user-friendly experience. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.